give it some more grass.
Hey? I was going to walk for only. Alright.
Feeding the horse. That's a big bit of grass. Oh, don't follow us. Oh, gonna have to go in a minute. Oh, that's not very nice. Bit of grass. Whoa, man. That's big.
Right, that's one now, horsey.
Have fun eating the grass.
Right, quick.
Hi, horsey. Oh. Bye. Come on, Missy.